Thanks to RISE 360 for giving us the opportunity to present the project Autotherm Automated Controllable Heat Therapy and Feedback System from Team Phoring of Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology. Heat therapy is the most commonly used technique for musculoskeletal and neuromuscular disorders that are the most disabling and costly conditions in the US. About 24% of the adults have been diagnosed with arthritis, rheumatoid, gout, lupus, fibromyalgia, etc. Heat reduces cellular damage, aid in muscle growth and relaxation, reduce soreness, pain and stiffness, mobility, performance, and increase blood flow. The existing devices for superficial therapy are IR bulb, heating pad, water bag, microwave heat bag, whereas ultrasound and short waves are used for deep therapy. However, these devices do not have controlling or monitoring system that may cause burn. Also, they are highly costly for underdeveloped countries. And here comes our solution to bring relief from the patients suffering from muscle spasm, osteoporosis, arthritis, sclerosis, sciatica, rheumatoid, stroke, etc. who cannot afford therapy sessions, need the exact temperature for the therapy and monitoring from far. Our device is basically a superficial heat therapy device which is automated, controllable, riskless with feedback and monitoring system and low cost. This is our compact device having Teflon-based heating wire inside. Let's see our way to implementation. At first, the patient needs to wear the pad and plug in. Then he needs to open the app and give name, ID, gender, age. The app will take information about average, best and worst pain and suffering duration in the visual analog scale. Then the user is to set the temperature and duration and the device will start heating. Red LED shows the heating phase. It will constantly show the present temperature on screen. As long as the duration, it will keep the temperature constant once it reaches the given temperature. After the duration, it will be turned off automatically and another visual analog scale will arrive to take score about how he is feeling right now. Experimentally, we have conducted Doppler ultrasound to measure the blood velocity and have found a good change in velocity and VAS scale between before and after the therapy. The success of the device is it has solved the issues of the doctors about taking feedback, controlling and monitoring. However, the doctors showed their concerns about setting higher temperature by mistake, failure of temperature sensor and risk of shock. Our device has all of these solutions. Firstly, if a patient sets a higher temperature over risk limit, our device will keep a default temperature of 36 degrees, which is under risk. Secondly, our coding has a comparing system for the sensors. If any sensor is going to fluctuate more than 5 degrees Celsius than the other two, it will show an alert and stop hitting. Thirdly, the power, relay, safety circuit and Teflon create a loop which abstract the electricity from crossing the loop. As every device, ours also have some limitations. It's only a superficial therapy device. To use this, a patient needs a smartphone and also we are yet to go for clinical trial. The mass production cost of our device is only around $13 to $16 US. Our future plan is to go for clinical trial, segmentize the data and analyze according to type of disorders, age, gender and so on. And finally, to launch our product in the market. Through our product, we can bring the most convenient way of superficial heat therapy. Thank you from Team Phoring of Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology.